Hello everyone, this is Tim from Discovering the High Life. We have some bonus footage for you from our Indi chocolate episode that we filmed. New episodes are coming soon. Reminder that our new season starts May 13th, and we're going to have new episodes released Thursdays, and they're going to be released on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You guys are going to want to see this full episode. We got to meet founder Erin Andrews, and she gave us a tour of their chocolate factory in Seattle. And we got to learn all about the chocolate making process. So go check out Indi Chocolate in Seattle, and while you're there, we recommend grabbing one of their sipping chocolates. It is thick and rich. Get it with some cream and a shot of espresso. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. New episodes coming May 13th.